How to do secondary verification in Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to do secondary verification on Binance. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Also make sure that your account is verified. Now then, to begin with the verification process, you have to log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance account, go ahead and tap on the icon or the logo from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you can go ahead and press on your account info, and then you can go to the security page. Right on this page you'll be able to see this authenticator app. Just go ahead and select that, and in order to begin with the secondary verification, you'll have to download an authenticator app. First of all, you can download Google Authenticator and click on enable after you're done downloading it. Then you can begin with the secondary verification by setting a pin or a password, and that's how you can do secondary verification in Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.